All right, guys, wanted to do a quick quality review here for you on this knife, just to show you everything about it. So first off, what I loved about this thing was how slim it is. That was my main thing. I wanted something super slim so you can put it in your pocket and not even feel it. You can see this thing is tiny, almost paper thin, super nice and lightweight, but it's all metal, nothing plastic about it. So really good quality. Has the 8 clip right there, all metal again, so you can put it in your pocket. Then to open it up, very simple to do. Blade is super nice and sharp. I'm going to show you that. You can cut cardboard, rope so easily. You honestly cannot beat the price versus quality on this thing. And you can see size-wise of the blade, nice and easy to hold, all metal. It has that little finger holder right there. And then to close it, you just push in right there, locks back into place. You have that little holder there. You could hang it on a keychain. It's got a little hole in the back if you want to hang it on a keychain. But again, you cannot beat the quality for price on this thing. It's super good quality, really, really cheap, works great, nice and sharp. So help yourself sitting there looking at these.